Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sign up to Ideogram using your email or your Gmail. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open ideogram.ai on your browser. You can use whichever browser you have on your PC. Go ahead and go to ideogram.ai and you will be headed to this page. Now you can see the continue with Google and continue with Apple. What you need to do is click on continue with Google as we are going to open up an account using our email address. So go ahead and tap on continue with Google and this web page will load up where you must select your Google account. Go ahead and select your Google account and click continue to sign into ideogram.ai. Wait for a while and then you will be signed up for Ideogram within a while. You can see now you must set up your username and your name. Go ahead and write down your username and your name over here and then click on create profile. After you do so, you can now join the community of Ideogram. Go ahead and click start creating if you want to generate art, or else you can scroll a bit down and find a lot of great art and a lot of AI designs. So guys, this is how you can sign up using your email or Gmail on Ideogram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.